Physical properties of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids, that is aliphatic carboxylic acids. Aliphatic carboxylic acids up to 9 are colorless liquids, remaining all are waxy type of solids. Higher carboxylic acids are waxy type of solids, and these are having unpleasant odor. Lower carboxylic acids that is up to 4 only, soluble in water, and solubility decreases with increase in number of carbon atoms. Carboxylic acids have higher boiling point values when compared with corresponding aldehydes and alcohols also. See, for example, CH3, CH2OH, ethanol, CH3, CHO, ethanol, CH3, COOH, ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid has high boiling point value when compared with ethyl alcohol and acetaldehyde because of strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Carbon oxygen double bond. Pi electrons are loosely held between carbon and oxygen. So pi electrons move towards oxygen because of high electronegativity. So in OH bond, hydrogen gets partial positive charge. So due to this, acetic acid molecules exist as a dimer and molecular weight is nearly double, 120. So that is why it shows abnormal colligative properties. This we studied in solutions topic, abnormal colligative properties, right? Higher carboxylic acids are soluble in non-polar solvents like benzene, ether, carbon disulfide, so on and so forth. Now let us concentrate on chemical properties. Carboxylic acids have acidic nature. Carboxylic acids are weak acids. Weak acids RCOOH in aqueous solution ionized as RCOO minus and H plus. So these are weak acids. So that is why equilibrium is established between dissociated acid molecules and undissociated acid molecules. This we studied in ionic equilibrium and general organic chemistry also. Now for this equilibrium constant K equilibrium, which is known as acid ionization constant. So acid ionization constant is equal to the concentration of RCOO minus and the concentration of H plus by the concentration of carboxylic acid. So Ka value is directly proportional to concentration of H plus. So therefore, higher the concentration of H plus ions, higher the Ka value, higher the acidic nature, more is the acidic nature. So higher the concentration of H plus, higher the Ka value, more is the acidic nature. So higher the Ka value, higher the acidic nature. So Ka values are obtained from the experiments. So from Ka values we can able to say whether acid is weak acid or strong acid. Now another one is RCOOH gives rise to RCOO minus and H plus. Now if RCOO minus ion is, if this is, let us suppose that less stable. If it is less stable, what will happen? It immediately combines with proton to give RCOOH, which means that the equilibrium shifted towards left hand side. If equilibrium shifts towards left hand side, number of moles of H plus ions, number of moles of H plus ions per liter decreases. Hence, lesser the acidic nature. Lesser the acidic nature of the acid. Lesser the acidic nature of the acid. Now, for example, if this is more stable, for example, if it is more stable, why I am saying? See, RC double bond O minus. Now, this negative charge on oxygen is in conjugation with pi bond. Therefore, resonance is possible. RCO minus double bond O. See, Roman number 1, Roman number 2. These are canonical structures of resonance structures of RCOO minus, and has 1 and 2 are identically equal. Therefore, this type of resonance is called equivalent resonance. Equivalent resonance. Equivalent resonance is extent of resonance is more. Extent of resonance is more. So therefore, the species is highly stable. Highly stable like benzene. Benzene also exhibit equivalent resonance. Like benzene, this is also stabilized by equivalent resonance. Therefore, RCO minus is highly stable. If it is highly stable, RCOO minus taking proton or accepting proton tendency is very less tendency. So that means RCOO minus is a highly stable. This is highly stable, and therefore tendency to accept a proton is very less. So therefore RCOOH, RCOO minus. So this is having conjugate acid base pair relationship. Conjugate acid base pair relationship. So for weak acids, this we studied in general organic chemistry also. For weak acids, acidic nature of weak acids depend on or directly proportional to stability of conjugate base. Conjugate base. So, if RCO minus ion is more stable, then RCOOH is more acidic. If this is more stable, I told you, RCO minus accepting proton tendency is very less. If it is more stable, if this is more stable, tendency to accept proton is very less. So therefore, equilibrium shifted towards right hand side. So that means RCOOH ionization is favor. RCO minus and H plus. So H plus ion concentration increase, Ka increase, Therefore, acidic nature will more. More is the acidic nature. Clear? So, therefore, the acidic nature of carboxylic acids depends on stability of conjugate base. This is very important, you have to write. Whether it is aliphatic carboxylic acid, alicyclic carboxylic acid, or aromatic carboxylic acid, whatever it may be. So, acidic nature of carboxylic acid depend on the stability of its conjugate base. Now see, C double bond O minus. Another canonical structure. So these are canonical structures of carboxylate ion. So plus I group, or you can write here hybrid structure, C O O, 5 electrons move from one oxygen atom to other oxygen atom. So totally negative charge is spread in between oxygen atoms. Now any group which pushes electrons towards carboxylate ion, stability decreases. Acidic nature decreases. Any group which is bonded to carboxylate ion, then if it pushes electrons towards itself, then the negative charge density decreases, stability increases, and acidic nature also increase. Acidic nature also increase. So therefore, plus I groups in case of aromatic acids, plus M groups decrease the acidic nature of carboxylic acids, and minus I minus M, or you can write, you include plus H also, minus H also, they increase the acidic nature of acids. All plus groups decrease the acidic nature of the acid. All minus groups increase the acidic nature of the acid. Simple example I am going to explain. Suppose HCOOH, C6H, CH3COOH. CH3COOH. Roman number 1, Roman number 2. So suppose if you are going to if you are going to compare the acidic nature of Roman number 1 and Roman number 2 acids, then remember that you compare the stability of conjugate bases. You compare the stability of conjugate bases. Stability of conjugate bases. So HCOO minus, CH3COO minus. So hydrogen is neither plus I nor minus I, is it not? So therefore methyl group is a plus I group. So therefore HCOO minus is more stable than CH3COO minus. Therefore, formic acid is a strong acid than acetic acid. CH3COOH, CH2ClCOOH, CHCl2COOH, CCl3COOH. Roman number 1, Roman number 2, Roman number 3, Roman number 4. COO minus. Here all are hydrogen atoms. 1, 2, 3 COO minus. Here chlorine is minus I group. So here only one minus I group is there. 2 minus I groups are present. Here 3 minus I groups are present. As number of minus I groups increase, stability of ion, stability of conjugate base increase. Therefore, acidic nature increase. So, number 4 is a strong acid than number 3, strong acid than number 2, number 1. CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH, CH2Cl, CH2, CH2, COOH, CH3, CH, Cl, CH2, COOH, CH3, CH2, CH, Cl, COOH. See, this is Roman number 1, this is Roman number 2, Roman number 3, Roman number 4. See, there is, in Roman number 1, there is no minus I group. But in this minus I group is present. Roman number 3 minus I group is present. Minus I group is present in 4th compound. See, already you know, inductive effect depends on the distance from the source. As distance from the source increases, I power, whether it is plus I power or minus I power, decreases. So here, this is source. You treat it as a CO minus, take it as a reference. This is reference. This is reference. Now here it is in third position. it is in third position. Here it is second position. Here first position. So that means as the distance decreases, minus I power increases. So minus I power is more in 4 than 3 than 2. So therefore 1 is less acidic than 2 than 3 than 4. Now this is Roman number 1, Roman number 2, Roman number 3, Roman number 4. All are derivatives of acetic acid. All are acetic acids only, or substituted acetic acid. So again, stability or acidic nature of the acids depend on minus I of halogens. Minus I power order is fluorine greater than, chlorine greater than, bromine greater than iodine. Greater the minus I power, greater the minus I power, greater the acidic nature. Greater the acidic nature. So therefore, Roman number 1 is a strong acid than Roman number 2, strong acid than Roman number 3, strong acid than Roman number 4. CH2 double bond CHCOOH and CH3 CH2COOH. CH2 double bond CH, this is vinyl group, and this is ethyl group. Ethyl group is a plus I group, vinyl group is a minus I group. So therefore plus I group decreases the acidic nature, minus I group increases the acidic nature. Therefore Roman number 1 is more acidic than Roman number 2. HC triple bond CH, HC triple bond C, COOH, C6H5COOH. This is aliphatic unsaturated acid. This is aromatic unsaturated acid. This is aromatic acid, sorry, aromatic acid. Remember, aliphatic unsaturated acid always more acidic than aromatic acid. Now, in case of aromatic acids, this is benzoic acid, COO minus, benzoate ion and H plus. So in case of substituted benzoic acids, Then if it increase the electron density on COO minus, then stability decreases and acidic nature decreases. Suppose in case of a group bonded to benzene ring, if this group withdraws electrons from the benzene ring, means minus effects, here it is minus plus effects, so they increase the stability of the carboxylate ion, therefore acidic nature will be more. Acidic nature will be more. Clear? Now, at meta position, already we studied this in GOC. Meta position, we have to see only inductive effect. At para position, consider only M effect or H effect, hyperconjugation, right? M effect or H effect. See, for example, if you want to compare these three acids, COOH, benzoic acid, Roman number 1. COOH, see this is NO2, para-nitrobenzoic acid. This is methyl benzoic acid. This is Roman number 1, this is Roman number 2, this is Roman number 3. Methyl group shows plus H effect on the source, plus H effect on the reference. And nitro group shows minus M effect. There is no group at all. So all plus effects decrease the acidic nature. All minus effects increase the acidic nature of the acid. So therefore, Roman number 2 is more than remaining, and in between 1 and 3 there is no group at all in 1, therefore it is more acidic, and plus H effect decreases the acidic nature, therefore this is the order of acidic nature of substituted benzoic acids.